Right, Tina, you probably heard that Republicans in Congress have already taken the first step to defund the ACA, also dubbed Obamacare, but the deadline for sign-up is January 31st. Now, despite confusion, those who need coverage are still being urged to sign up. Monday, the healthcare.gov website was still active under now President Trump. But what does that mean?
Well, people are a little bit confused, but most people who need health insurance are just wanting to get enrolled.
Melissa Camp runs Insure Georgia, a statewide organization that assists many who need ACA coverage. She says people are still encouraged to sign up by January 31st.
We're trying to get as many people helped as we possibly can while the marketplace is open and available to them.
It's estimated that at least 600,000 people in Georgia do have ACA coverage, and that most of them get a monthly subsidy to help pay for that insurance. So what happens if there is no subsidy in a few months?
Obviously, that would create a major problem for many people, because I think there's something in the 90% range of people who have health insurance that do get help paying for it.
And hundreds in Chatham County have this coverage. A few minutes ago, I spoke with 1st District Congressman Buddy Carter in Washington.
Is it fair that people should be scared about losing coverage? And is it fair to talk about repeal before everyone knows what your replacement bill is?
Well, it's fair because right now Obamacare is collapsing under its own weight. It's driven up costs. It is collapsing, and we've got to do something. We've got to repeal it. We've got to rebuild our health care system. You know, the president has made it clear, we in Congress and the Republican majority have made it clear that we're not going to yank the rug out from underneath anyone.
Carter finally says people should sign up for the coverage through the exchange by the end of the month, even though he says there's no timetable for a replacement bill. But he says people will not be left without coverage. Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3.